and Howie here, and today we want to talk to you about estate planning. Oftentimes we are consulted by clients who are concerned about engaging in their estate planning because they don't know how to divide up their assets among their various kids, or they're concerned that they're going to bring to the surface some family conflict or dynamics that they would rather not have to deal with today. And so we help counsel those clients through the estate planning process. Ellen, how do we deal with a situation where parents want to engage in estate planning, but they're really afraid of bringing some deep-seated issues to the surface?
So Howie and I really believe in not putting one's head in the sand, so to speak. The better we are with bringing our loved ones into the discussion, the better the result will be. For example, we may have parents who say, I want to leave more to my son Jake because he's not as financially well off as my daughter is. When they have the discussion with their daughter says, Mom, Dad, please don't do that to me. I don't want to receive any more than my brother, because that will cause us to have friction for the rest of our lives after you're gone. I would rather it be equal. We also see the other aspect, right?
Sure. There are some people who, upon learning that it is going to be equal, feel that, look, my brother, the doctor, doesn't need, and his doctor wife, they don't need the money, but clearly I do, so, why aren't you leaving me more than a 50-50 or equal allocation? But we still believe that having conversations like these with your children, even though it may be a little bit delicate, they're far better to have now while you're alive, while you can seek the input from your children, and while your children can seek input from you as to how you'd like to see your estate distributed when you pass. Because if you wait until that point in time and you leave it to your children to work out, our experience is it only gets worked out through litigation and in the courts, and a lot of that can be avoided through family discussions now. There are also other reasons why you might want to engage in estate planning having to do with special needs planning. If you have a special needs child, you have to do that through your plan and make sure that the money doesn't go outright to the special needs child. So it's really important to take into account a lot of different factors when looking at your estate planning. But the main point of today's message is engage in your planning, have your family discussions, work out these issues amongst your family now before it's too late.
And know your mind. After you receive input and you receive possibly opinions by your kids, while you're still of full capacity, you can receive those opinions but make your own decision. There may come a time where you're not of the same level of capacity, and then there could be an allegation of undue influence, where one may be trying to influence you over another. Like, for instance, a local child who happens to be near and has the opportunity to provide care and to visit more often, and thinks that they are entitled to more than their sibling who does not live close by. So stick to your guns, but get the input and have it be a collaborative family effort to the extent possible.
Whatever your family issues might be, we here at Elder Law Associates are here to help. We have a lot of experience dealing with these kinds of issues. We hope everybody stays safe. Thank you.